Hey guys, greetings of the day. So here is my Realme Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and I'm making this video because after working for a few months, the battery of this robot died on me, and later on, for another good 8 to 9 months, it was just simply lying on its charging station, useless. During that 8 to 9 months, I tried to get its battery replaced either from the authorized service center or an aftermarket third party thing. But there is non existent support from service center, and also nothing aftermarket is present as a battery pack for this thing. After checking the battery pack and searching a few stuff online, I was able to assemble a battery pack for this thing from scratch. Here is the vacuum, and I'll just show you guys where the battery pack is. We'll just turn it over. So this place houses the battery pack of this thing. We'll just open it up. See, this video is an afterthought. Later on, after replacing the battery and when it started working on the replaced battery, I thought maybe there'll be people who are facing the same problem, so why not share my experience. So I don't really have the whole thing. Like when I was assembling, I did not make any video that time, but as you can see, the battery pack is installed here, and there is one PCB board which is connected to the vacuum and is used to charge this power bank. So that is beneath this what you call battery pack which we have installed here. I have the photo of that also, the opposite side, that is a PCB, so I'll show you that also. So this is what the battery pack looks like. This is the housing of the battery pack in which these 8 cells will reside. These are LG make cells, and these are connected, and these are housed inside of this thing with a charging PCB. So charging PCB is still inside and charging the new cells which have replaced. And the terminal connections of these cells to the PCB, I have made a small diagram on a paper with a pen, so that is very easily understandable and can be used to connect those cells to the PCB, and I'll share the photo of that also. Furthermore, the link to all the stuff which was ordered to be put in this thing, like the cells, then the spot welding machine, the links for that will also be shared in the description of the video, so you can easily order those things. Now let's talk a little about the spot welding kit which I ordered. As you can see, these are all the materials which you will be getting in this spot welding kit. First, lithium polymer battery. This I was already having with me. Instead of using this battery, you can also use a 12 volt lead acid battery which you can find in your cars or probably two-wheelers also. Another thing, here is a small button which decides like how strong the current will be through the output, and there are like 5 stages. First we will turn it on. Okay, so now it's on. You can also see the blue light here. Second tap, it will give me 2 beeps, that is the intensity will be twice. See, so similarly the maximum intensity which you can reach is 5, and by hit and trial I have seen 5 works the best. So if you use current any less than that, the spot weld will come off very easily. So we will put it on 5. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5. If I press it again, it will turn off. So this is the maximum. Now here is the battery which I have used. Okay, so this battery is similar to what is present in the robot vacuum, just that it is from another manufacturer. So simply place the batteries together, and I have taken a small strip from the nickel strip which I showed you earlier. We will place it on the top, secure the strip with one of the outputs, then just spot weld. See, this one has been spot weld. Now I'll just place this one here next to it, and I'll spot weld this also. Secure the connection, spot weld. So you can see here that this thing has been welded, and you will need to weld it at least 6 to 7 times to have a proper secured connection here. Replacement batteries cost me 200 each cell. That comes out to be 1600 for 8 cells. And the spot weld machine, which is a one time investment, cost me another 1700 or so, which is approximately how much? 3300 rupees. So within 3300 rupees you can assemble your battery pack and install it in your robot vacuum. So lastly, I would say yes, it was a learning experience. There were a few things which I did not know before, and through this experiment I was able to learn. So with this I would like to conclude the video. So thank you very much for watching.